abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around.
So one thing nice about the Cube is that you can put it down anywhere on a flat surface. This guy, you have to put it sideways, which is fine because you can flip it in post. But it's a little bit rounded on the edges, if you can see there. So if I put it down, gotta be careful. Or that's the best case scenario. Find something metal. Same with this. Now I got both of them. Oh, DJI Action. There's so much built against you right now. I've seen so many reviews of negativity and overheating. And if I keep you, I have to buy an enclosed case, a rubberized case, something they made off of Amazon or 3D. I don't know. Someone's got to make an enclosed case. If I drop this thing, boom, 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 down the road, you're not going to be all banged up, scratched, and cracked. Insta, you can always replace the lens really cheap. It's plastic. If you drop it, it's going to bounce around like a little pill. That's my biggest concern right now with the Action 2, is how it's going to last a long time. I keep it as my main camera of action-wise or vacation stuff. I'm going to drop you. I know that. But how's the image quality? Huh? How's the sound? I only have one mic. I don't have the other one with me. We're all naked right now. You got cars going in the background. You got a lot of backward noise. Hopefully it sounds okay. All right, let's keep going. Isn't this fun? This is crazy today. These two small devices, such power behind them. Beautiful blue sun skies, got fall colors going on. One benefit of having this guy is you have a screen. I can adjust anything I need to right now. I can do a time lapse, whatever I want to do, change everything. With the Insta, you have to set up buttons, and you got 4 choices. And it's always finicky when you're pressing these buttons. But, so I have Pro Video set up with 1 click. 2 clicks is to picture. And then you got to power the thing on. And I don't even remember what I have on the other 2 because I don't use it too much. So DJI, you win on that. When you're naked by themselves, more functionality with the DJI. So we'll see if anybody overheats.
Did that wasp go inside?
No.
Oh,
And we'll see if anyone runs out of memory again. That was my fault from last time. When I was making the video. $4K 30 on both. Never more. All right, why do you like that spot? Come on.
that's so comfy. pumpkins out. I mean, we saw pumpkins out, but can we decorate for Christmas tonight?
No, it's not Thanksgiving yet.
But then could we decorate for Christmas on Thanksgiving?
Sure. So, let me tell you, Emma, and I'll tell our friends that are watching. They're not our friends. They don't like us anyway. They're just watching us to see what camera they want to buy. Take a pee.
I think they want to see that.
They didn't. I think the camera, this one's pointing up too high. Exciting content. Vivid color on the old Insta.
Gather. Is that your work car?
No.
You put this in the car.
Nope.
Same color.
Nope. No. What'd you see, Lulu? Danger. You see danger?
What's going on?
Oh, y'all boring. No one told me the crumble cookie flavors this week.
Says your next order, and obviously there's your pickup. Check in when you arrive, and it's a link that says reply stop to opt out.
So, all right, Emma.
Who's that?
So DJI completely copied Insta by also Insta360 Go camera by also incorporating a sticky adhesive style of mount in their box. So we're using both of them now. And they stick and restick and stick and restick, which is very convenient to put right up on the glass or something of that nature to make it stick.
If I were to get
You're
one
supposed
with
to-
fall, I think the black one would fall, because the black one seems more heavy.
Yeah, it's true. It is heavier. It's got more to hold, but it's stuck on there pretty good.
Then which
You're
one
supposed to wash it when it gets dirty to make it re-sticky.
would
A little silver water. I know, but it's like science.
Okay.
So far, the footage-wise, the DJI has a more contrastier image, which is a little bit darker than the blacks. This one. That's Insta. Insta is not as powerful with its image because it's only 2.7K versus 4K.